pull a disappearing act. We're going to perform some magic today, so we're going to make this hill disappear in a couple minutes, maybe an hour or so, and we're going to come back and we're going to show you the disappearing act. Let's go. All right, here we go, CNC hauling. That mountain that you once seen, there we go. Yes, we do cleaning and hauling, and we perform magic tricks too. So if you ever need this service, give us a call, email, website, social media. We everywhere. See you on the next one. So it went from there to in here. There you go. EMG, everything must go. CNC cleaning and hauling. When we turn trash into balling. Let's go.
The reason I put the rocks in the middle, so if they're heavy, I don't have to dump them on my foot, or so I have to pick them up at the same time.
All right.
So I can just grab them, haul, and take them in the truck.
Oh, okay. All right. There you go. Rocks in this curtain thing. He's doing an easy job, quick, work smarter, not harder. You just heard from Employee of the Month, Carlson. That's what he's doing. There's another tip for you. We're giving out free game today.
You see, we're done here. So thank you for choosing CNC hauling.
So you see everything is up now. So what do you think about the performance, and what would you grade CNC hauling from a 0 to a 5?
I give them a 4.8.
All right, we'll take that. We'll take that.
This is the third time you guys have done work for us, and we've had no complaints. You guys have done an excellent job every time you've been here.
All right, thank you, and we're going to continue to keep up the good work.
All right.
All right, you have a good day.
You too. Thank you very much.
All right. So we're going to look over here and look at the rocks that was there and now removed. See, there's still a little trash here, but all the rocks are gone. And you see the trash is completely gone. So there you go.
Yeah, you can take them if you want them.
Another small job done. And again, if you ever want to know how to make $1,000 in one day, this video is for you. So stay tuned for a lot of more small jobs that we constantly knocking out, getting it out the way. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to haul and ball. As you can see, you see where we at. We at the dump, getting to it, turning trash into cash. You see what we got going on. Just empty that whole truck we just showed you. So that's how we do it. Easy money. CNC cleaning and hauling, where we turn trash into cash. Let's go get it.